When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is, it's how we use it that makes things possible. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. The way to learn to do things is to do things. The way to learn a trade is to work at it. Success teaches how to succeed. Begin with the determination to succeed, and the work is half done already. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is, a great capacity for hard work. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Money doesn't change men. It merely unmasks them. If a man is naturally selfish or arrogant or greedy, the money brings that out, that's all. Experience is the thing of supreme value.